Now, first, I want you guys to know that getting all the post-UTME pass questions of every university in Nigeria is impossible. I've tried my best to get a lot of past questions of different universities, and I've covered universities in the different regions in this country. So please, if I'm unable to treat your prospective universities post-UTME past questions, please bear with me because getting some of these post-UTME past questions costs money. Okay, it costs money to get some of these post-UTME past questions, and a lot of resources have been spent by me to get post-UTME past questions for you guys. Okay, so and it's not possible for me to get every university's post-UTME past questions. Okay, please bear with me. I'm saying this because a lot of you have sent me DMs, a lot of you have requested in the comment sections that I do a video on your prospective universities, but that is impossible because I don't have some of them. Okay, I don't have some of the universities post-UTME past questions. So I encourage you to still study. Okay, study with your jam past questions, study with other universities past questions. Okay, all you need to know is if your prospective university ask questions on current affairs, or they only ask questions on the subjects that you sat in jam. Okay, so just find out if your prospective university ask questions on current affairs, okay, and general knowledge, or they just ask questions on the first subjects that you sat in jam, because there are some universities that ask questions just on the first subjects that you sat in jam. Okay, so find how your prospective universities set their questions. That will help you to know how to study. Okay, so that's all you need to do. That is all you need to do. And I have a lot of general knowledge post-UTME past questions for you guys in case your university is one of those that ask questions on current affairs and general knowledge. Okay, I have lots of them on this channel. Please make sure you watch them. Okay, and also have lots of videos for you guys on use of English. Now, if you know about my other channel, Dimma tutorial, there is no reason you should not do very well on use of English. Okay, so head over to Dimma tutorials to watch more of my videos on use of English, and watch the videos that I also have here. I have lots of videos for you guys here, and very soon the teachers that I've employed to be uploading videos will start doing that. Okay, on this channel. So this channel is meant for all the subjects. Okay, it's meant for all the subjects. The school, so it's meant for all the subjects. I've employed teachers that are going to be making videos on the different subjects for this channel. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, I encourage you to click the subscribe button. Okay, help the channel to grow, and also to help the teachers have audience when they start uploading videos on this channel. Okay, all right, so today I want us to look at post-UTME past questions. Okay, post-UTME past questions on general knowledge from UniLag 2011. Okay, 2011 post-UTME past question from UniLag. Okay, now the first question is, who is regarded as the father of Nigeria nationalism? Who is regarded as the father of Nigeria's nationalism? We have option A, Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe; B, Chief Obafemi Awolowo; C, Chief H.O. Davis; D, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah; and E, Dr. Herbert Macaulay. Dr. Herbert Macaulay. Now the correct answer is option E. Dr. Herbert Macaulay was a founder of Nigerian nationalism. Okay, Dr. Herbert Macaulay was a founder, so he's regarded as the father of Nigeria nationalism. Okay, so option E is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next question. The first African country to host FIFA World Cup was the first African country to host FIFA World Cup was, we have option A, South Africa; B, Ghana; C, Nigeria; D, Cameroon. Okay. The correct answer is South Africa. Okay, South Africa. South Africa is the first African country and the only African country to ever host FIFA World Cup. Okay, That was the only African country that has ever hosted FIFA World Cup, and this happened on 11th June to 11th July 2010. Okay, 11th June to 11th July 2010. Okay, South Africa was the first to host FIFA World Cup in Africa. Okay, now the next question we have NAFDAC means, what's the full meaning of NAFDAC? We have option A, National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control. National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control. B, we have National Agency for Food and Drug Agency and Control. We have option C, National Administration for Food and Drug Agency and Control. Option D, National Administration for Food and Drugs Administration and Commission. Okay, now the correct answer is option A. Option A. Now the full meaning of NAFDAC is National Agency for Food and Drugs Administration and Control. National Agency for Food and Drugs Administration and Control. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next question. Question 4, we have the NDLEA means, what's the full meaning of NDLEA? Okay, NDLEA means National Drugs Law Enforcement Agency. National Drugs Law Enforcement Agency. Okay, that's the full meaning of NDLEA. Now let's see the options. Option A, National Drugs Law Enforcement Agency. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Option B, National Drug Law Enforcement Agency. Enforcement Administration rather. Option C, National Drugs Law Enforcement Association. National Drugs Law Enforcement Administration and Agency. So option A, like I said, is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next one. The starch used for designing in Adure Eleko. The starch used for designing in Adure Eleko is boiled with, we have option A, indigo dye and white alum. B, yellow dye and white alum. C, green dye and white alum. D, red dye and white alum. Okay, now if you know about Adure Eleko, okay, you know that the correct answer is indigo dye and white alum. Okay, indigo dye and white, and so is indigo the dye that is used for Adure Eleko design. Okay, is indigo. Okay, indigo, not yellow, not green, not red. Now the next question 6, we have the Nok culture is associated with the archaeological finding at. The Nok culture is associated with archaeological finding at option A, Ile-Ife, B, Benin, C, Taroga, and D, Igbo-Ukwu. Okay, now the correct answer is option C, Taroga. Okay, now Taroga is an archaeological site in southern Kaduna where artifacts of the Nok culture was discovered. Okay, it's an archaeological site in southern Kaduna where artifacts of the Nok culture were discovered. Okay, so Taroga, that is in Kaduna, is the correct answer. And the next question, which is going to be the last question, which of the following were former British colonies? We have option A, Nigeria, Ghana, Gambia, Liberia. B, we have Cameroon, Togo, Egypt, and Ghana. C, we have Sierra Leone, Gambia, Nigeria, and Ghana. D, we have none of the above. Okay. Now, former British colonies in Africa include Egypt, Sudan, Kenya, Uganda, South Africa, Gambia, Sierra Leone, Northwestern Somalia, Zimbabwe, Zambia, Botswana, Nigeria, Ghana, and Malawi. These were British former colonies in Africa. Now let's look at the option. Option A, Nigeria. Nigeria, yes, Nigeria was a British colony. Ghana was a British colony. Gambia was a British colony. Liberia was not a British colony, so it's incorrect. Option B, we have Cameroon, Togo. Cameroon was not a British colony, so it's incorrect. Option C, we have Sierra Leone. Sierra Leone was a British colony. Gambia was a British colony. Nigeria was a British colony, and Ghana was a British colony. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, option C is the correct answer. Sierra Leone, Gambia, Nigeria, and Ghana. We are all British colonies, former British colonies. Okay, so that'll be all for today, guys. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed already. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys again very soon. Bye.